Hey you guys, it's Nikki DeRoest, global makeup artist for bareMinerals, and I'm excited to show you this amazing Dew Mist setting spray. So as you can see, I already have my completed look on, but I love using this Dew Mist. It just makes me feel confident that my makeup will look amazing throughout the day. This is great for all skin types, it's alcohol-free, and it's also vegan. This has watermelon and apple extract, which helps hydrate the skin immediately, but also over time. I love kombucha, so I'm so excited that this is one of the ingredients. It's kombucha ferment, which boosts radiance. So application with this is really easy. Just shake the bottle, hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, and spray in a circular motion. And voila! I hope you go and try it soon.